Welcome to Fruity Kids TV. Are you ready to learn?
Five Cute Pet Song.
There's a little dog so fluffy and bright, wags his tail and barks with delight. It's a happy pup so full of cheer. Come on kids, let's give a big cheer. Five cute pets, oh what a sight. All together, they're a delight. Let's meet them all, come along and see. Five cute pets so fun and happy. Next is a kitty, soft as a cloud, purrs so sweet and is never loud. She loves to nap and chase a ball. She's the sweetest pet of them all. Five cute pets, oh what a sight. All together, they're a delight. Let's meet them all, come along and see. Five cute pets so fun and happy. Here's a bunny hopping so fast, with floppy ears that are built to last. It loves to nibble on some crunchy hay. A cute little bunny, hip hip hooray. Five cute pets, oh what a sight. All together, they're a delight. Let's meet them all, come along and see. Five cute pets so fun and happy. A little guinea pig, oh what a sound, squeaks and wiggles running around. It loves its veggies, carrots galore. Let's cheer for the guinea pig, who could want more? Five cute pets, oh what a sight. All together, they're a delight. Let's meet them all, come along and see. Five cute pets so fun and happy. Now there's a fish, so shiny and bright, swimming in water left and right. It wiggles its fins and loves to glide. A beautiful fish with colors inside. Five cute pets, oh what a sight. All together, they're a delight. Let's meet them all, come along and see. Five cute pets so fun and happy. Five cute pets, let's give a cheer. They're our furry friends, so close and dear. We love our pets from head to tail. Come back soon for more pet tales.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Fruity Kids TV. Bye-bye!